Hey, what's up? This is Alex, and I'm gonna be reviewing the Parish 180 trucks 50-degree base plate. Alright, so first off, this truck is gonna be really good for carving. Just all around, it's good for commuting. You could use it for free ride, but I'd recommend calibers for free ride. And they come stock with Divine 90A bushings, and they're not great, but they'll do if you can't get any other bushings at the time. And they have that washer for the bottom that goes right here, right under there. And then you have a cone Divine bushing, also 90A, and a washer that goes right on top of it, and it sits right up here. And other than that, I would not recommend getting a colored hanger and base plate, seeing as once they start scratching, the paint will chip away. Doesn't look great. Probably shouldn't do it. But they're still great trucks. I would recommend them to anyone who is looking for reasonably priced great cast trucks. And thanks.